Hi everyone, Savannah here, and for today's video, we are going to be making some delicious chocolate covered strawberries. I cannot wait to share how simple and easy this is to whip up and make. It only takes a few minutes and you have a delicious dessert or a snack ready so quickly. So without further ado, let's get started, but make sure to subscribe to the channel down below and give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. So here I have my double broiler set. I filled this pot here with just a little bit of water, and then I have this on top where I'm going to be placing the chocolate. And today I'm going to be melting these Enjoy Life mini chocolate chips. So I'm going to be pouring these in here. And then I'm just going to be giving this a stir until it fully melts. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my strawberries. I have these delicious red strawberries. They taste amazing. And then I'm going to be dipping them in my chocolate here. And to also help better adhere the chocolate, I placed these strawberries in the freezer for about 20 minutes. So it could just stick on and harden up quickly. And then we just want to take the excess off and kind of just wipe a little bit on the side like that. As you can tell, they're already hardening up. Then we're just going to place them back on our cookie sheet and kind of just repeat this process here. If you want, you can also occasionally just give the chocolate a mix if it hardens up. But for now, mine is good. And I like to show a little bit of the red on top. I just think it makes a little pop of color, which is nice. Kind of just letting it drizzle, getting the excess off of there. So here we have all of our strawberries that are covered in chocolate, and they look so good. And now we're just going to be doing a little fun part and just doing some chocolate drizzle. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So here we are going to be putting some extra chocolate on our strawberries. So I'm just going to be taking, I have this little tool right here where I'm just going to be drizzling it on our chocolate strawberries here and just making a nice little drizzle. There we have some little chocolate drizzles. I think it just adds a little something extra. So here we have our strawberries, and I think they just look so good. I did half with the drizzle and then half just with the plain chocolate, and I think honestly probably the plain ones look better, but I love how the extra chocolate just gives it something extra and special. So they look so good, but we have to give them a taste test. Okay, so now for the best part. Time to taste these strawberries. They look so good, and I cannot wait to finally try one and see if they taste as delicious as they look. So let's try one here. I'm going to be trying the one with the drizzle on it. Okay, let's give it a bite. So sweet, so tasty, and look at the juice. It is going everywhere. And it is so red inside too. This is such a good strawberry. Even with the chocolate, it really adds a special touch to it. So simple, so easy, so quick to make. So I hope you will give these a try, and I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.